Imagine you're sitting at a red light in your car. Suddenly, the sky turns dark. You look out your window, expecting a storm cloud, but instead, you're staring at a chrome-plated fuel tank the size of a bathtub. You look up, and up, until you see a grill that looks like it could swallow a motorcycle whole. This isn't a semi-truck, and it isn't a military vehicle. This is the Ford F650, a truck so massive it makes a Hummer look like a toy. But why does this monster even exist? And how did a construction vehicle become the ultimate status symbol for the world's elite? Today we uncover the insane truth of the Ford F650, the scale of the monster. To understand the F650, you first have to understand its scale. While your neighbor's F150 is a light-duty pickup, the F650 is a medium-duty Titan. It stands nearly 10 feet tall. That means the driver is sitting at the same eye level as a professional bus driver. It weighs between 12,000 and 15,000 pounds empty. To put that in perspective, if you parked this on a standard residential driveway, there's a high chance the concrete would simply crack under its weight. It doesn't just take up a lane. It dominates the entire road. The power and the Godzilla engine. But what moves 7 tons of steel? Ford gives you 2 terrifying options. First, the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke V8 turbo diesel. This engine produces a staggering 800 lb-ft of torque, enough raw pulling power to tow 50,000 pounds. That's like hitching a small building to your bumper and driving away. If you prefer gasoline, Ford offers the 7.3-liter V8, famously nicknamed the Godzilla. It is one of the largest displacement engines in any modern vehicle. But here's the kicker: the fuel tanks. Custom versions carry up to 110 gallons of fuel. In today's economy, a single trip to the gas station could cost you more than the average person's monthly rent. From workhorse to luxury palace, here is the real mystery. Why are these being spotted in Beverly Hills instead of construction sites? Originally, the F650 was built to be a dump truck or a tow truck, but custom shops realized there was a market for pure excess. They take the commercial chassis and turn it into a luxury palace. We're talking 6 doors, full leather interiors, and more chrome than a jewelry store. Celebrities like Shaquille O'Neal and extreme car collectors pay upwards of $200,000 for these custom builds. It's no longer a tool, it's a statement that says, I am the biggest thing on the road, and I don't care about your rules. The dark side of owning a giant. However, owning an F650 is a logistical nightmare. You can't go through a drive-through, you'll tear the roof off. You can't park at a grocery store, you'll take up 4 spaces. And the fuel economy? Most owners report getting a painful 7 to 10 miles per gallon. If you're stuck in traffic, you can practically see the fuel needle moving toward empty. It is a vehicle that defies logic, ignores common sense, and spits in the face of efficiency. Conclusion. The Ford F650 is the ultimate example of bigger is better culture. It's too big, too loud, and too expensive, but that is exactly why people love it. It is a machine that wasn't designed to fit into our world. It forces the world to move out of its way. So, would you drive this monster, or is it just a massive waste of steel? Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching.